Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll show you how to create oil paint effect in Photoshop without the oil paint filter. Because this filter is not available in the older version of Photoshop, and also it is not supported in the device which don't have a good quality graphics. So at first check the image size and make sure height or width is in 2000 pixels for a better result. Then copy the layer by pressing Ctrl and J, and then go to Image and Adjustment, then go to Shadows and Highlights section, and I want to increase the shadows little bit. I think around 35% is good. Then again go to Image, Adjustment and Levels. And play with the contrast and brightness of your image. Then again copy the layer by pressing Ctrl and J, and then go to Filter, Other, High Pass, and I am giving 2.5 pixels here. Then change the blend mode to Overlay and select the both layer and merge layers. So now the image looks more sharper and more bright, and I want to add more details and more sharpness to the image. So go to Filter and then Sharpen and select Unsharp Mask. And I am giving amount around 135%, radius 2 pixels and threshold 0 pixel. So now the image is ready for the effect. Go to Filter, Stylize and select Diffuse and enable this option, Anisotropic, then press OK. Look at this. If you look closely, you can see the effect little. And I want to repeat the same effect for 4 to 5 times. But remember, you have to rotate the image every time at 90 degree. So go to Image and Image Rotation and select 90 degree. Then go to Filter, Stylize and select Diffuse and press OK. And again do the same thing. Rotate and apply the diffuse filter, and repeat this for a few times. Look at this, I apply the effect for 4 times, and this is the before and this is the after. It looks great. But now I want to reduce the noise. So go to Filter, then Noise, then Reduce Noise. And 10 for strength. And 0 for others option. Then again go to Filter, Sharpen, Unsharp Mask, and I am giving amount 120, radius 2 pixels and threshold 0 pixels. and then copy the layer by pressing Ctrl and J, and then go to Filter, Other and High Pass to add some sharpness, and I am giving 2.5 pixels, and then change the blend mode to Overlay or Vivid Light. I am giving Overlay this time, and look at this. So this is the oil paint effect you can get without the oil paint filter. Now select the both layer and merge the layer. And now I'll do some color adjustment. Select color lock affair, and I am selecting this, and decrease the opacity a little bit. I think around 25% is good. Look at this before and after, it looks good. Yeah, I am giving 32 here. Now again create a levels, and I am to increase the brightness a little bit and also the contrast. That's good. And now I want to add some color effect. For this, create a new layer and pick a brush and choose your colors. Make sure you have selected the soft brush, and then just click and change the blend mode to Overlay, and do the same with the other side. Pick a color and just click, and now decrease the opacity. And look at this, it's done. Let's make a group of all this, and this is the before and this is the after. It looks great. If you like this video, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.